I'm early a lot. I'm always early versus late, but better to be early versus late. Better to get it right overall. So the market's going to rally, and if we're going to short Oracle, which is the only thing I like today, even though it's really not fabulous, it's good enough to do, but not amazing. We have to do it and get out quick. And if for some reason this doesn't set up right at all, then I'll flip and look at the market long, or possibly even Apple. Apple actually looks good for the first time today to go long in 100 million years, and whether or not it goes or not will depend on whether or not the market holds and rallies. And that's really what it is. I don't have any other ideas. I didn't see any in the room. Dubots, I can't understand anything that you're writing lately. Even the symbols you wrote, I don't understand what you said there at all. I don't think CCL. Were you trying to write CCL? I just don't understand anything you write in the room anymore. I don't think this did have earnings. I don't think it did. It was supposed to, and I think it was pushed back again. CLDR. This isn't doing anything, Jackie. This isn't down in earnings. Oh, yeah, it is. 12.65. Yeah. I think we're going to get a play in Oracle. I'm just telling you it's not fabulous. So I'm just warning you. CELH? No, I did not see. If Oracle doesn't set up, I'll look at the other ones. But we have to pay attention because if this goes, ideally it goes right away and we get out. It's kind of spready here though. In fact, it's very spready. What? Let's make sure it's open. Let's just double check it. It's really spready here for Oracle, which is kind of weird. Stop's going to be 67.90. Let's do 05 by 90. 05 by 90. I don't know if this is open, even though this indice should be open by now. No, just wait on that. I don't think it's open. Something's not right. Leave it. Don't do that. It's off. Something isn't right with this. Something isn't right with this. Just wait. It looks weird. Okay, we're going to put the stop over at 68 because it looks really weird to me, just in case this really is open. Oh, there it goes. See? Now it's open. There it is. That was it. Gosh. So difficult to tell nowadays. Okay, stop's going to be 68.25. Let's do 15 by 25. 15 by 25 Oracle. It's definitely open now. Do it, and get in it, and that was it. Thank God we didn't get in it before then. My instinct on these things is so good. Put the stop in, 25, 68.25. Was not going to get caught in something like that. Not going to get caught in it. In fact, let's make sure we give it enough room here. Well, I think we got to give it a little bit more room because of the spread. Let's give it 35. Just give it 10 more cents here because of the spread. 68.35 is a stop in Oracle, and this is it. And quite frankly, if this doesn't go right now, if it flips and rallies aggressively over 68, this will fail completely on the day. So this is worth doing right here. This is worth doing right here. I still like it. And if you didn't do it, you could do it at 15 again. But 68.35, that's it. It's got to hold there. Now let's see what's going on over here. Tough place for the market, but it's going to do it. And Apple is going to finally rally for the first time in its life. So interesting. Nice call on the market. Nice call on the SPY. New highs. See if it gets there. Really nice options calls in this. Here we go. We have to pay attention right now. Oracle. I said fast trade out. Fast trade out. Fast trade out. Market's going to rally. SPY could make new highs today. If not tomorrow, here we go. Oracle. Target 66. And then we're done for the day. A fast day is exactly what we deserve. Here we go. Wow. Beautiful call. Come on, 66. Do it. I'm on my game today. Nice to get that confirmation of the market this morning. Just does so much for your confidence, I'll tell you. Not only am I in trades that I'm up in, but the confidence. I mean, when you have confidence, it just builds on itself. And it, just like when you don't have any confidence, it just completely destroys you. Here, where were we? 63. Come on, Oracle, you can go a little bit more. I know you can. I do not have high expectations for this, though, based on the market. Come on. One more drop in this, we're out. I don't care where it goes. Got to be careful today because of the market. Low was 63. Oh, I didn't look at Stitch Fix this morning. I forgot about that. We should look at that. It worked. But again, I don't know what the problem with that was. Stock's too strong. That's what the problem is with that. That's the problem with that one. 63. Wish we could have got a tighter entry, but we didn't get caught in this thing here. It was weird. It was weird. I said it was weird. It was weird. Boom. This is where the open was. You can tell by the volume. And also when you were watching it trade, you knew it was funky. But I will say this. To have this be one of these ones here is strange because normally this index does open on time. But it absolutely did not. It opened at 9:32. That's a good read on this because it said something's wrong, something's wrong, something's wrong. Because if we had done it, we would have been stopped in that. Here we go, Oracle. Hand to the button here, Oracle. One more drop. Come on, come on. We're going to break the low, but where we go, nobody knows. You got to be out of this quick, though. That's, I do know. And the big ones tonight, we'll look at tonight's after we get situated here. And I may want to do some other options trades here. But let's just get out of this first. No, you stinker. It's bouncing at 50. How annoying is that? Could it be more annoying? It couldn't be. Absolutely could not be. Oh, look at the slippery market. What's been our week? The bounce backs, the pushbacks? Let's look at Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix was annoying and I made it worthwhile because I did the ad. If I hadn't, it would have been ridiculously annoying yesterday. At least I had the ad in it. I mean, it rolled on down, but what is the problem with this? The stock is very strong. It's in a strong uptrend. It doesn't want to break. Let it be. We made money in it. That's all you can ask for. We're done with that. Here we go. Oracle. I know I want to look at some other things, but I can't. Because if this goes down and we miss it, then I'm going to scream. We can't miss the exit on this. We'll look at Facebook when we're done. Market looks good too, but it's sloshing. And sometimes when you can't look at stuff, if you see that it's up, just hit out of it. Just hit out of it. Don't miss your exit and stuff if you can't watch it because you're in a day trade. That's my 2 cents for the people that are doing both the options and the day trades. Just go poop and just sell it. Don't be messing around with targets and stuff. Sometimes everything's moving at once. That's not a bad thing. Here we go. We got to get under the low. In fact, it's a good thing. It means we're making money. 66.50. It's do or die for this now. In fact, I'll be happy at an exit of this in the 20s, in the teens. We don't even have to get it to 66. The only way this goes to a dream target today is if the market collapses, which I don't think it's going to do. We had better than expected data this morning. The market actually reacted positive to it for once, but we were up before that data came out. We were already up before that data came out. Here we go, Oracle. That just helped it. Yay! Here we go, Oracle! Out! Done with it! Done. I said I'll be happy if I get in the 20s. I'll be happy if I get in the teens. Close enough. Got to the teens. If you're still in it, bar by bar it. It could get down to 66. It could break 66. It could go to 65. It could go to 64. I think there was a nice trade, and we're done. And I said be out early, be done early. We don't know what the market is. I want to look at some options.